She walks with clouds beneath her feet, every step a melody so sweet. Eyes like rivers, deep and wide, holding secrets the world can't hide. Daydreamer, heart in the sky, chasing the stars while the world rolls by. Daydreamer, lost in her tune, dancing with shadows under the moon. She hums a song no one can hear, a lullaby to calm the fear. Her laughter's rain on summer skin. It starts a storm, it lets me in. Daydreamer, heart in the sky, chasing the stars while the world rolls by. Daydreamer, lost in her tune, dancing with shadows under the moon. She speaks in colors I can't name, every word a spark